Hey guys, let me just show you something very interesting. That's at least 40 Ferraris in line. Hello guys, I am going on a trip for a week to Italy. Basically, I have a conference on gravitational waves, and my advisor thought that I was ready to do this trip alone, which I would like to disagree on, but here I am, and I'm taking you with me. So enjoy the journey. Look guys, who I met here at the Frankfurt airport. Let's take a selfie. Hello everyone, good morning. Today is Monday, 5th June, my first day of the workshop here on gravitational waves that I'm here to attend. I'm getting really late, so I should probably not be talking this much. Let me show you some views while I try to find my way to the campus, and then hopefully we can get to talk a lot more in the evening, perhaps. Let's see. See you soon. That's the view from my balcony. This has been a crazy 2 days, and now I'm finally back in my room. Sorry I couldn't show you around the campus or do anything. It was just me trying to figure out my way first to the campus and then trying to interact with as many people as I knew, which is like probably 2 or 3 people. The hotel is beautiful. The view outside the hotel, as I just showed you, is beautiful. The campus is also nicely located. I'm hoping to visit one of the top floors of the campus and just get a good view of the sea sometime soon. A lot happened today. Now I'm gonna get ready for a dinner later with some colleagues. Yeah, that's basically it for now. Hopefully I'll be able to show you a lot more photos soon. It's a very different experience for me as well, and I just want to make sure that in the effort of making a video I just don't get stuck somewhere in this absolutely new place. Good morning. So just to make this vlog not just a travel vlog and something that might be more interesting than that for you, I'm gonna pose a question and I want your answers in the comment section below. What is that one thing you wish you knew as an undergrad? I have something to share, but let me just quickly get out of my room and then we'll talk about it. On 3, 2, okay, I forgot how to click, but I think you get the idea of what I'm trying to do. Anyways, we're outside. So as I was talking about one thing I wish I knew as an undergrad, which I regret not being able to do a lot more, it has to be the fact that while I was always interested in astrophysics and cosmology, I never even tried to explore fields beyond that from a research perspective. I just had one internship in quantum computation, which was like at the end of second year. But after that, I made sure any sort of opportunities that come my way are astro-specific, which is something I do not recommend doing. What I wish I knew was the fact that when you get into graduate school, they don't just see if you have done research specifically in one field of research. What they're much more interested in seeing is whether you have done any research at all, good quality research at all. Whatever you have done, as long as you have well-based research experience, it doesn't matter which field it is, at least in your undergraduate. Hey guys, It's the end of day 2. I have not been able to record at all outside my room, mostly because I'm with much senior colleagues. I've been hanging out, for example, with the advisor of my advisor. So definitely can't like vlog casually around him. I mean, yeah, it's been an adventurous 2 days. I had a lot of wine, uh, some beer, some authentic Italian pizza. I love the academic life more than ever right now. Really tired right now. I think I'll just hit the bed. It's not that late. It's like 10:30 or something if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 11 p.m. But yeah, I really need some sleep now. See you soon. Bye bye. I'm going for the social dinner, official dinner event. Everyone else already left. I mean, that gave me a chance to record a bit outside. So that's good. Yeah, hopefully I can record a bit there. Doing my best here. Hello. Today is Friday, the last day of the workshop, and I have a presentation today. So yeah, kind of nervous. First international conference I'm gonna be presenting in. Yeah. Anyways, see you on the other side post presentation. Kind of nervous, not gonna lie, but I think it's natural. Hello, so I'm sitting inside the train and will be leaving for Trento, which is about 4.5 hours away from Trieste. So I woke up 5 a.m. in the morning, somehow managed to leave by 5:30 to catch this train at 6 a.m. I'm supposed to come back by tonight, 10:30, 11 p.m. And then tomorrow I have my flight back to Singapore. Hello people, so I'm here in Trento. It's a beautiful place. Just look at that. Imagine getting that view every day when you wake up in the morning and having to work here, have your family here. That's amazing, no? I think I'm gonna take away a very different perspective of this place than what I would have if I would have just stayed in Trieste. So this was definitely worth it. Alright, so that was Trento and Trieste. I think this is a good point to end this video, but before I go I want to talk about something I've been thinking about throughout this trip, and that is a sense of home that you kind of lose when you're traveling abroad. From India, I traveled to Singapore and I've been in Singapore for the last 5 to 6 months. So now I have a sense of home back at Singapore as well. Now for this workshop, which was by the way just for a week, I traveled to this place called Trieste in Italy, And roaming around in the city, just coming back to my room in the hotel, that also gave me a sense of home. And now that I am in a third place, Trento in Italy, even Trieste as a whole feels like it gives me a sense of home, because now I'm looking forward to just go back to Trieste and be in an environment that I was familiar with for the last 1 week. Obviously, this is a very extremal sort of perspective of the thing, but where does it stop? This sense of home keeps changing as you explore more and more places, go to more and more different cities. Because right now I'm thinking about I can finally relax tomorrow when I'll be back in Singapore. But even saying it out loud, it feels so weird that Singapore, which is a place I got familiar with only 5 months ago or something, it already feels like home compared to my original home, which where I've lived for 22 good years of my life. Something to think about. And yeah, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.